Hi guys, I just arrived at the guest house and I had a small package waiting for me, so I'm quickly going to do a small unboxing if I can get the camera to work. Oh. That's my receipt. C89 SYL Atlantic Salt. Oh, and with the new pocket clip. Nice. Oh, this feels so good. Wow. This is one of the knives I bought for traveling as well as site work, but I'm really surprised how it feels in the hand. Let me quickly gloves. Gloves. This is 40-gram thin slate gloves. This is for winter gloves. A bit small, but still manageable. And my working gloves. Really easy. Open and manipulate. And I'm sure this is, yeah. Typical Spyderco sharpness. Thanks Sal and team for a really great looking knife, and I'm going to do a lot of use with this baby. Thanks for watching guys.